case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1969, the United States Tax Court heard the case of James v. Commissioner, which dealt with the tax implications of trading property for stock in a company. The case centered around a corporation formed by Mr. James, a builder and real estate promoter, and the Talbots to construct apartments. Mr. James received Chicora stock as part of the agreement, and the court needed to determine whether the stock should be considered taxable compensation or tax-free property exchange. The Talbots, who originally owned the land, were subject to taxation on the gains they received from exchanging their property for Chicora stock. The court ruled that Mr. James received his share of Chicora stock for services rendered rather than for a property exchange, and was therefore subject to taxation. The key issue in the case was whether the involved parties had the required 80% control of Chicora immediately after the transfer to avoid taxation. Ultimately, the court ruled that the Talbots did not have the required control of Chicora, and both parties were taxed for their gains. The court also upheld the valuation of the shares Mr. James received and added a tax under Section 6653A of the Internal Revenue Code 1954 for negligence.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.